In this video, we're going to show you how to install the oil pressure switch on your Nissan Murano located on the passenger side portion of the engine. Now, our oil pressure switch is right here, just to the right of the oil filter and just below our crank harmonic balancer here. Now, there's going to be a tab on the top. You're going to push on that and pull that connector off. There it is. Just going to tuck that off to the side over here. Now we're going to use a 27mm socket. Slide that over. And we'll go ahead and pop an extension on there, and we use our ratchet to loosen and remove that. Now you might lose a little bit of oil from this here. It's good to have a catch can underneath. If you do, it won't be a lot, but you definitely want to go ahead and take caution of that. Before we install the new component, go ahead and clean around the hole here. We did put some thread tape on the unit here. This is kind of a precaution. It's a sealant, and you could use the liquid sealant if you want to on the threads. Only make sure you don't get it around the input or the port on the front. Line this up. And get that started. Okay, thread that on. Go ahead and grab your socket. We're just going to hand snug that, because when we go to tighten this here, it only needs to get torqued to 11 foot-pounds. Let's go ahead and do that. Now once that's torqued, you're going to go ahead and grab your connector, line that up, and push that on. Make sure you feel and hear it snap into place. After you get that pressed on and it's locked into position, you definitely want to go ahead up top and check out the engine oil. Top it off as needed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.